Hi, I'm Teresa with Cuisinart, and this is Cuisinart's frozen yogurt, ice cream, and sorbet maker. This unit holds up to 1.5 quarts of your favorite dessert. Comes with 3 basic parts. The first is the freezer bowl. This is a double insulated freezer bowl, which needs to be in the freezer for up to 8 hours. I prefer to keep it in the freezer overnight to make sure that it's solidly frozen. And it goes right here on the base. Requires no ice, so there's no mess, no fuss. This is our patent pending mixing paddle, which goes right here inside of the freezer bowl, and it makes ice cream or any frozen dessert in 20 minutes or less. And then here is the cover, which has a large spout right here, which allows you to add any mix in towards the end of if you're making ice cream, you want to add chocolate chips. It's wide enough for you to add that to your ice cream. And there you have it. That's our ice cream maker, and it makes, as I said, it makes great sherbet, sorbet, ice cream. Cuisinart's frozen yogurt, ice cream, and sorbet maker.
Link OF the product in the description of this video and in the first comment. Subscribe to this channel to know the information of the best Amazon and AliExpress products.
Hi, I'm Elise for Hamilton Beach. Breakfast is considered the most important meal of the day, but it's also the one that's most often skipped. Rushed mornings don't leave much time for preparing breakfast. That's where the dual breakfast sandwich maker comes in. Drive-thrus in the frozen food aisle offer easy breakfast sandwiches, but those can have questionable ingredients, so you're never quite sure what you're getting. Now, with the dual breakfast sandwich maker, you can make 2 of your favorite sandwiches with your own fresh ingredients at home even faster. It's great for families because everyone can have a custom sandwich in minutes. Just choose the bread you love, English muffin, biscuit, bagel, or even pancakes. Then layer on your favorite toppings, cheese, pre-cooked meat, or veggies. Lower the cooking plate and top ring, add an egg, top with the other piece of bread, and close. Set the timer for 4 to 5 minutes, and when you hear a beep, slide the egg cooking plates out, and you'll have 2 hot, toasty, perfectly assembled breakfast sandwiches ready to eat or take on the go. Cleanup is easy too. All the removable parts can go in the dishwasher, and the cooking surfaces are non-stick. It's the perfectly simple way to make 2 delicious and nutritious breakfast sandwiches. Now that's good thinking.
Link OF the product in the description of this video and in the first comment. Subscribe to this channel to know the information of the best Amazon and AliExpress products.
Looking for an easy, more economical, and faster way of preserving your fresh food or ingredients? If yes, no worries. The NutriChef Vacuum Sealer is perfect for you. Introducing the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer, an innovative solution to food preservation. Designed with a fully automatic simple electric plug with its control center placed on the top panel and soft touch digital buttons along the LED indicator lights. Specifically designed to provide the best of sealing possible based on the type of food you want to seal. You can choose the dry indication for solid food items and the moist indication for poached, simmered, or steamed food. For the best of perfect sealing, all you need to do is enclose your food material you want to seal. Place it carefully in the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer, press firmly to join the 2 edges together. Press the Vacuum Seal button and wait for a couple of minutes to get sealed. The NutriChef Vacuum Sealer has been laboratory tested and proven to preserve food up to 5 times longer than zipper baggies and other containers. No better way of preserving your food other than the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer. Order for your NutriChef Vacuum Sealer today at an affordable price.
Link OF the product in the description of this video and in the first comment. Subscribe to this channel to know the information of the best Amazon and AliExpress products.